Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making double ginger cookies dipped in dark chocolate. I've never made them before, but they look delicious, so I'm very excited. We're going to start with 350 grams of plain flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, and 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. And 175 grams of light muscovado sugar. And I'm just going to use a fork just to break up the sugar and mix everything together. Doesn't need to be too precise, just mix around. Keep that fork to one side. Okay, now I'm adding in 100 grams of unsalted butter. This butter's very soft. And then I'm just going to use my hands, rub everything together, so I end up with sort of breadcrumbs at the end. Okay, so now we have like a breadcrumby, sandy type mixture. Everything's combined. I've been breaking up the bigger chunks of sugar as I've gone. Yeah, everything's combined. I'm just going to wash my hands and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I've just put the oven on at 160 degrees. It's a fan oven. I'm going to put this to one side. Here we have 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Went completely blank then. 1 egg. Just going to crack the egg in. And we're going to mix that together. There we go. Bring our other roll back. Here I've got some crystallized chopped ginger. There's not a measurement or a weight. I've just done a handful. That's it. I think that's enough. It looks good to me. So pop that in. And then we want our egg and golden syrup in. And then we're just going to mix all of that together. Okay, so time to get our hands messy again. We need to form this together now that it's mixed. Just going to knead it into a dough basically in the bowl. Okay, I have some lined baking trays here. And I'm going to break this roughly in half. There we go. And with 1/2 of it, I want to get 12 balls out. So in half, so that means I need to get 6 out of this piece. Basically, just going to completely eyeball it. 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna make the balls and put them back in this bowl. Okay, so my 2 trays are gonna go in the oven for about 12 minutes. And then I will take the cooked ones off here, put them on a wire rack to cool, put these in, do it over again basically. So all of my balls or cookies are cooked. I'll wait for them to cool down and then I'll be back with you. I'll see you soon. Okay, so all of my cookies are now cooked and completely cooled down. I've melted some chocolate. I've got here, I've let this just sit over the pan so it's still nice and melted. And I'm gonna pour this into here, this smaller glass ramekin. This will make it easier just to dip the cookies straight in rather than trying to do it in a big bowl. So I've got some baking parchment line laid out on my work surface, and the work surface is really cool to the touch. So what I'm gonna do is dip my cookies in and then lay them out, let them set up on here, and then I can just peel them off. So I'm literally gonna take one, dip it in, tuck the excess under the bottom, and just lay it down. And I'm going to repeat that until they're all done. Okay, I'm already running out of chocolate and I've done 9. So I'm going to melt more chocolate and then I'll be right back and I'll carry on dipping. Okay, I'm back. I've got loads more chocolate. There's still some in the double boiler. I've melted about 400 grams in total, which is too much. But any that's left over, I'm gonna add to some warmed milk and have a delicious hot chocolate with some double ginger and chocolate cookies. So I'm just gonna carry on dipping like before. Okay, that's it, all done. So I've still got a good half of this left. I'm gonna add that to some milk, as I said. I'm gonna leave these out on the worktop just for the chocolate to come down to room temperature and start to harden. Then I'm gonna transfer them back onto cold baking trays and put them in the fridge for the chocolate to completely solidify. And then I'll see you when that's happened. There we go, everything is all finished now. The chocolate has set up nicely. They taste so good, I have eaten several already. Got my hot chocolate with the leftover chocolate that I melted. So I'm gonna go and enjoy these on the sofa. Thanks so much for watching. Please do drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!